So Arsenal take on Wigan FA Cup fourth round at the Emirates after a bad result against Brentford. After a good result, a point gained against
We can
Brentford.
say that. Yeah.
A little bit of distraction for Arsenal and the Arsenal fans. I think they may not like it, but yes, FA Cup against Wigan, a good chance to rest players. Dwayne, go for it.
Good chance for to rest players. Wigan, I like. I seriously don't know how good Wigan is right now. बट विगन वो
I think
टीम है जो एफए कार्लिंग में लाइक आ जाता है कहीं से यू नो दे बीटन सिटी एज वेल इवन दो इट्स इयर्स बिफोर लाइक मतलब इयर्स अगो वो ये सब
they
टीम
won
ना
it, right?
या या ये सब टीम्स है ना
They won
जैसे
it.
चैंपियनशिप अभी मेरे को नहीं पता दे इन द चैंपियनशिप लीग वन की कहाँ पे बट दीज टीम्स प्ले फॉर दीज कप्स and it's never
Exactly.
easy. Like I know Arsenal home pe hai, like obviously Arsenal is a very superior team. I'm just saying, you just never know. ये सब टीम ना जान दे के खेलता है स्पेशली कप्स में but
Yes.
I obviously expect Arsenal to like win this easily depending on what he does or what players he plays because you played now and then after 2 days you're playing on Sunday and then again there's a midweek game against I think Wolves away.
Wolves.
So you gotta manage
So
क्योंकि तुम हाँ you think he'll
so
rest players?
Wigan, I think he's going to rest players. So Wigan
हाँ
is in League One. मतलब EPL के
League
बाद
One right now
Championship,
हाँ then League
Championship
One
के बाद League One, and even in League One they're in the relegation position. They
oh
haven't
fuck
won for the
then
last
it's good
5 games.
oh
They have lost
then
for
Arsenal
last
ठोक
four
देगा
games.
तो ठोक देगा Arsenal
And Rook, I'm
अरे
coming to it. Even Portsmouth, okay, even Portsmouth
हाँ
were in sim even was in a worse condition. ठीक है, I think
हाँ
even they are in a tier lower to Wigan. ठीक है,
हाँ
and still they gave us a good game. So
but
we should not go with an expectation that हाँ Wigan है. FA Cup is the cup जहाँ पे you see lot of upsets,
क्या
and upsets has
हाँ
happened against you guys. Upset has happened against
we went
Arsenal.
out,
So
we went out in first or
it's
second
not
round you
new.
know
ठीक है, it's not. If you take these teams lightly,
हाँ
they
that's
are
fair
going
that
to
I
come
agree
and punish you.
ये कभी भी कर सकते बट
Be-
लाइक अच्छा मेरे को ये नहीं पता
because
इफ यू
as
टेलिंग मी देयर इन like they're in League One relegation like I think Arsenal will just finish them इतना नहीं होगा
so
आई
the
थिंक
thing is that
हाँ
Arsenal will go with a second string squad. ठीक है,
मुझे भी लग
because
रहा है हाँ
they they played a very physical game against Brentford. I
yeah
don't think वो risk करेगा players को. Okay,
yeah it's just two days yeah
he will try to rest everyone for the Wolves game next midweek. I think
Mm.
Wednesday को है. So he will
yeah
try
that's
to
an
rest
away game
everyone for that game. Yeah, that's an away game. So what he will do is he will start with I think Saka will play. First team में से I think Saka will play. Rice will not. I think Odegaard will also play. Players like well, those who have been just coming from injuries, those who haven't
हाँ
played for a
they can
long
play
time, they will play. But I think this will be a second string squad. But
which makes
a
sense
good, yeah. I mean, still it's a strong team. Like
huh
players,
of course
even
see you have a squad your squad in the sense your bench players or second team can easily even play for some of the first teams it is like और ये मैं
exactly.
बोल रहा हूँ as a United fan like it is what it is तो तुम कर सकते हो वो and you're talking about Wigan who like were not in form as per you they are in relegation and League One like ठीक है तो इतना कुछ सीन नहीं होगा but you gotta he has to like he drew a game against Brentford he has to think about like the Wolves game as well which is again in the next 3 days कीपिंग इन माइंड ही कैन नॉट गो आउट ऑफ द एफए कप क्योंकि तुमको 4 या 3 ट्रॉफी जीतना है क्वाड्रुपल और फिर पता नहीं कितने ट्रॉफी जीत जाएंगे एक साथ एक फाइनल में तुम हो
I mean,
ऑलरेडी
I ए जो बोल रहे हैं उनके साथ बात कर. I never said quadruple, so don't tell me
हाँ
about
बट
quadruple.
लाइक एक तो ट्रॉफी
I
है
think
एक एक फाइनल में हो एफए कप इज ऑब्वियसली एफए कप इज स्टिल गुड यू कैन लाइक like I'm nothing against EFL Cup or like Carabao Cup. Like हम भी जीते, हम भी celebrate किए. But okay, you'd rather have FA Cup, right? Like I mean, why not? Like compared to
I
that, so
mean, I
you
would
would
love
want
to
to take
have
it
any.
seriously.
See, for someone who's starved of any cups or any leagues for the last 6 years, I would have Carabao Cup. The only cup which we have won, I think, in the 6 year
एक
is the Emirates Cup, जिसमें जिसमें
Emirates
हम
Cup,
ही
sorry,
ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं। हाँ, हम ही ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं,
सिंगापुर
हमारे
में.
होम में ही होता है और
अच्छा था
हमारा
वो.
ही रूल्स होता है।
अच्छा
हाँ,
था वो,
so
बोल
that's the
सकते
only that's the only cup I think,
हो.
वो भी I think we have won, मेरे को भी याद नहीं है। हाँ,
नहीं, जीता
so
जीता. मैंने
for
देखा
someone
था.
like me, हाँ, for
मेरे को
someone like
फोटो
me,
याद है.
Carabao हो, FA हो, I don't
हाँ.
mind when I would celebrate those cups.
No,
ठीक
no,
है,
true, true. Like it's
so
it's fourth round, but you still need to play. It's Wigan, and end of the day, you never
हाँ,
know.
it's been
These
and
championship or League One teams, they just come. Like whenever it's FA Cup or Carling Cup,
exactly,
ये जाग जाते भाई. कहीं ना कहीं से आ जाते हैं.
and it is not easy to win. It is not easy to win these games, these cups.
हाँ.
सबको लगता है easy है,
Nah.
just one mistake and you're out. ये
And
लीग नहीं
these
है that
guys,
you drop a game and next game you can
exactly.
recover.
क्योंकि they
एक
just
गेम
score
ड्रॉप
one
करते हो,
goal
that's it.
and they just sit. और वो जान दे देंगे
They
भाई
will play
डिफेंस में
for their
मतलब एंड आई
life.
एम नॉट
हाँ,
एग्जैक्टली आई एम नॉट इवन जोकिंग व्हेन आई से दिस. वो जान दे देंगे पूरा गेम डिफेंड करने में कि तुम्हारी हालत खराब हो जाएगी जस्ट
exactly,
टू गेट एन इक्वलाइजर. दे विल प्ले दैट बिकॉज दे विल पुट एवरीथिंग ऑन लाइन क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ बिग थिंग फॉर यू. लाइक you're obviously going for Champions League, you're going for EPL. They don't have such things, right? So they go for all these cups where they're there. जितने बड़े उन लोग जाते हैं उन लोग का प्राइस मनी उतना बढ़ता है. It's and there is. I'm
exactly.
not saying it's a very realistic chance, but there is a chance, and it's happened. Wigan's won before, beating Manchester City.
Wiggins won the FA Cup by
Exactly,
beating
that's what I'm
Manchester
saying.
City. FA Cup
That's what I'm
जीता है।
saying. Grimsby
हाँ,
Town ने यूनाइटेड को बाहर डाला है, तो it's possible. It is.
exactly.
I'm saying this.
Anything is possible.
Yes.
I think Wigan के साथ कुछ भी होके we would win. We have the quality on the bench.
Yeah, I don't think so. It's gonna be. I'm going for a 3-0 win because it's Arsenal home. I think Arsenal will
Hmm.
dominate. Goals आ जाएंगे. I don't see any issues. Even with the and this is I'm saying with the second team. I don't see Wigan like especially after you said they're not in form. They're in relegation. I don't see them doing really well. I think Arsenal will win 3-0. तू क्या बोलता है?
Yeah, even I think the score line would be something like that. 3-0 होगा. And yeah, we will play mixture of first team and
Second
our
team.
bench.
Nah, that's good.
Yeah, so we would have first team players playing in that game. Saka, Odegaard तो खेलेगा ही खेलेगा मुझे लग रहा है. And ठीक है, with them on the team, I would be confident that we will do our job on Sunday.
क्या पता जल्दी हो गया. You can just sub them half like half खेल के
हाँ,
जैसे भी.
then go prepare for Wolves.
Job done.
Finish it in the first half.
हाँ,
दो गोल तीन गोल मार के finish it in the first half. बट हाँ, जितना हम कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलते हैं नॉट नेसेसरी होगा।
obviously.
यू मे नेवर नो। पोर्ट्समथ ने पहले 5 मिनट में ही गोल मार दिया था हम लोग के अगेंस्ट। देन इट वाज
Obviously
अगेन
Arsenal came
पोर्ट्समथ,
back, but
दे
ठीक
आर इन
है.
द लीड,
हाँ, but ठीक है.
सो
चलना
एनीथिंग कैन
should be
हैपन।
should be interesting, but I don't see anything happening. I see Arsenal winning comfortably. Like should be like क्या ये fourth round है ना should be progressing to the fifth round.